back to my channel. In the last video, we made a red velvet sponge. Today, we are going to make the cream cheese frosting to frost the red velvet cake. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Let's make the icing now. To make the icing, we are making cream cheese icing. We need 100 grams of butter. We need soft butter. I have transferred the butter in a bigger bowl for convenience. Now we have to whisk this till it's light and fluffy. The softer your butter is, the easier this process of making it light and fluffy will become. Keep scraping your bowl in between so that your butter is whisked consistently. You will need to whisk it for approximately 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, my butter has changed its color and it's light and fluffy. Now I will just scrape the butter and add cream cheese into it. Whisk the butter and cream cheese together only till they are both properly combined. I have noticed that cream cheese is not very readily available in Indian market. So if you want my homemade cream cheese recipe, please let me know in the comments so I'll share that as well. Now my butter and cream cheese are properly mixed. Just see the texture, how it should look. And now we'll start adding the sugar little by little. I'm mixing the icing sugar with spatula first so that it doesn't fly everywhere and make a mess while I'm mixing it with the whisk. Repeat the process till all the sugar is mixed. After adding all the sugar, add a teaspoon of vanilla for flavoring. You can use this icing as it is. It's a very rich icing, but I want to make it a little softer, so I'm going to add 50 grams of whipped cream into it. While I whip my whipping cream, I'm going to cling wrap this cream cheese frosting and keep it in the fridge. For whipped topping, I'm using Rich's Gold. I like this brand the most, but you can use any you like. Remove the cling wrap and add whipped cream in 2 to 3 parts. Fold the whipped cream in. Try to be as gentle as possible so that you don't lose any air that you whipped right in while whipping it. You can cling wrap the cream again and store it in the fridge while you prepare for the frosting. But make sure it's not more than half an hour. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you want to get regular updates on my videos. Like this video and comment if you have any doubts. See you soon. Ta-ta.